There have been a ton of endeavors to make the ideal move to procure application. However, up to this point, none have figured out how to break into the standard stepn. A Web3 running application with gaming and social components on the Solana blockchain anticipates evolving that. stepn utilizes a double symbolic framework. The first green Satoshi token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the subsequent one green metaverse token, or GMT, is an administration token. The last option is the digital money we will be checking out in this cost estimate. Kindly note that our GMT token cost forecast doesn't comprise venture exhortation. Kindly consistently do your own examination prior to putting resources into any digital money. What is Green Metaverse Token? Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is the administration badge of a wellness application called stepn. Its principal objective is to empower a sound way of life and advance eco-neighborliness. The application permits clients to acquire awards for moving around outside when they prepare their NFT tennis shoes. At the hour of compassing, it was one of the most well-known wellness applications on both Google Play and the App Store. stepn offers an entire large number of elements that are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and beginners. The application contains a whole environment of digital money-related items that will permit newbies to draw in with stepn without downloading any extra applications. There is an in-constructed wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Also, what separates stepn is its attention on intuitiveness and in-application gamification. For instance, clients can step up their NFT tennis shoes and mint shoes. There are additionally numerous social intuitiveness choices. The GMT token is mostly utilized for administration purposes inside the stepn application. It can likewise be scorched to get to certain elements like tennis shoe redesigns. At last, it is additionally used to decide on choices concerning the appropriation of marking rewards. GMT, Verifiable Value Examination. As GMT is as yet a somewhat new digital money, it's challenging to foresee the future value patterns of this token. Be that as it may, taking a gander at verifiable information can give us some knowledge into how GMT might act from now on. In view of past execution, we can expect that the cost of GMT will keep on ascending over the long haul as additional clients start utilizing this stage. The GMT token has proactively had a couple high points and low points since its IDO in WOC 2022, and its market cap is right now found immovably inside the main 100 on CMC. The cost of the GMT token has topped at $4.11. stepn Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of stepn costs expected in 2023, the base expense of stepn will be $0.679932. The greatest level that the GMT cost can reach is $0.769923. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.69993. GMT value figure for February 2023. In light of the value variances of stepn toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical GMT pace of $0.49995 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.459954 and at $0.519948 separately. WOC 2023. stepn Value Estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their figure for the GMT cost in WOC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.49995, while the most extreme could reach $0.539946 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of stepn may be around $0.519948. GMT value figure for April 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value variances of stepn in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal GMT rate they anticipate may be around $0.539946 in April 2023. It can drop to $0.519948 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.559944. May 2023. stepn value conjecture around mid-year 2023. the GMT cost will be exchanged at $0.559944 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the STEPN worth to $0.579942. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.539946 in May 2023. GMT value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down STEPN costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023. $0.569943. The most reduced and top GMT rates may be $0.549945 and $0.609939. July 2023. STEPN value conjecture. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the GMT cost will be around $0.579942. In July 2023, the STEPN cost might drop to at least $0.559944. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.629937 in July 2023. GMT value figure for August 2023. Having broke down STEPN costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the GMT rate could arrive at a limit of $0.649935 in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $0.579942. For August 2023, the gauge normal of STEPN is almost $0.609939. September 2023. STEPN value gauge around mid-2023. The STEPN cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.629937. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the GMT cost could vary somewhere in the range of $0.609939 and $0.679932. GMT value conjecture for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the STEPN worth won't dip under at least $0.629937. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $0.709929. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0.649935. November 2023. STEPN value estimate. Digital money specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of GMT costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of STEPN will be around $0.739926 with a chance of dropping to at least $0.649935. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $0.669933. GMT value conjecture for December 2023. In light of the value changes of STEPN toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical GMT pace of $0.699993 in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.679932 and at $0.769923 separately. STEPN value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of STEPN